Hello everyone, welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first online institute for all kind of HR competitive exams. HRpreparation.com is providing online test series of study material for all kind of HR exams. Now we are going to discuss about notification from National Fertilizers Limited. This is called NFL. So National Fertilizers Limited is a mini Ratna company and it has many branches in India. So National Fertilizers Limited released a notification for management trainee HR. So this is the notification, and management trainee HR, this is executive level positions. There are 12 positions, and out of 12, 5 for the unreserved, 2 for SC, 4 for OBC NCL, and 1 for EWS. 1 is for, this is the backlog, and all are comes together as 12 positions. Now we have 12 positions, and this is, I think, in this year, this is the biggest notification for HR aspirants. Coming into this criteria, eligibility criteria, so this is for the cutoff date for the eligibility criteria. So they will consider anything like age, qualification, and whatever it is you can consider. So that is cutoff for 30th September 2021. Here is qualification eligibility criteria. This is the table 2, and for HR management trainee, the minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is the 29 years. And coming to the educational qualification, should have minimum 60% in 2 years full-time MBA PG degree or diploma from universities or institutions recognized by UGC or AICTE, and specialized in personal management, industrial relations, human resource management, or human resources. So the MBA graduates or PGDM or the people who have completed or MSW or MHRM are eligible for this position. So there should be 60% marks in your PG and 50% marks for SC, ST and PWBD category people. And there is one condition here for the post of MTHR, management trainee human resource. So they are here if you have any dual degree combination, and so your specialization like HR should be major. So you can find here major specialization in HR. That candidate will have to provide a certificate indicating major specialization in HR. So this is the mandatory for this position. Coming to the exam fee, the application fee, there is a 700 for unreserved category or general category and OBC. So there is no exam fee for the SC, ST, PWBD and ex-serviceman. Coming to the reservation relaxation. So here 5 years for the SC, ST and 3 years for the OBC non-creamy layer. Selection methodology. So the first one is how to apply. We need to visit NFL website, that is called nationalfertilizers.com, and we need to go to careers, then recruitment in NFL. Then we can select this is the MT marketing and MT HR, and under that, so we have online application. So we have to click on that and we have to fill the application, and the last date is 23rd November 2021 till evening 5:30 p.m. it's not midnight, and just consider this point till 5:30 p.m. only it's allowed to apply the online application. And only one application per candidate for the particular post is allowed. So you can't apply for both the marketing as well as HR. So you may have the specialization, but you need to select either the option. So there are few documents to be uploaded while we are filling the online application, like for the date of birth proof we need to upload our 10th or matriculation certificate, and there is a limit. So for every document it should not be more than 200 KB and in PDF format. For education qualification proof, like your mark sheets, degree certificate, and we can consider from the matriculation to the higher education, like till MBA or PG. And we need to upload the caste certificate also, like whatever the caste you belongs to, and you need to scan in PDF format, and that size should be less than 200 KB. And for the EWS, economically weaker section, and they have also scanned it in PDF, and it should be less than 200 KB. You need to upload it for all the categories. And so for ID proof, identity proof, we need to scan Aadhaar or PAN, passport, so any of the given options. And photograph, so latest photograph, and signature, so the photograph less than 50 KB in JPG or JPEG format, and signature less than 20 KB in JPG or JPEG format. So online examination, this is about the exam pattern and all. So this is the computer based test, as we know that this is an online exam. Here we can look into this, the exam pattern. So there are 150 questions, 100 questions from the specialization, like from the HR, and rest 50 questions from the aptitude. So the aptitude, like general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general knowledge, and general awareness. So there is no negative marking, and for the wrong answer, so this is all about 150 questions, which is 100 plus 50 questions. Selection procedure, like the first one is the written test, online examination, then personal interview. So for the personal interview, for one position they will call 5 candidates. So here given here, like 5 eligibility candidates for one post. Final selection, online test, the first one we need to secure 80%, and the personal interview 20. So this is altogether 100%. Coming to the salary or pay or perk, service agreement, bond and placement. So the pay is like 11.18 lakh per annum. This is called as CTC, cost to the company. And so there is a 1-year training program. So after completion of the 1-year training program, so the person can be confirmed. And there is a service agreement for the unreserved or general OBC candidate, EWS. So they need to sign up the agreement for at least they have to serve for 3 years, and so need to sign up on agreement which is a worth of 80,000 and 20,000 for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Date of opening of online application from the 3rd November 2021, and the last date for the submission of this online application form 23rd November 2021. So guys, better to apply today itself, and please ready all the required documents like your education certificates and your qualification certificates, your photograph, signature, so which is and your identity proof and everything. And hrpreparation.com is providing online cross course for the NFL management training HR, and you can visit www.hrpreparation.com, and we are providing link in the description also. Click on the link and you can visit. There are free mock test series and study material also available, and you can check it out. If you want, you can subscribe our course, and so there is a lot of information is provided, and so all mock tests like topic wise test series, act wise test series, model mock test series, and so there is a descriptive and clear explanation for each and every question. And the study material also provided, both paper 1, that is called part 1 and part 2, and test series is also provided as like that, and the exam as like exam pattern, the model mock test series is also available. There are 10 model mock test series available, so please visit our website www.hrpreparation.com for any inquiry. So you can WhatsApp on 6303892482. So this is the number we are we provided in the description also. You can join with us, and you can join our WhatsApp broadcast group. You can get all such kind of notifications. Please subscribe our channel for latest HR notification, job notifications, and HR updates. Thank you.